Okay, hi again. Let's have a closer look at the S&P and using the 3.5 year cycle. Um, the S&P here in blue. We have the 6 months shifted index, or FLD, in yellow, and the cycle in red. Now, the cycle is not really a precision tool. I wouldn't use all the highs and lows here with any confidence. It's more a general indication telling us in what climate we are in. But sometimes it may work in the short time, these turning points. So just have a look here. Going back in 2019, we had some low corresponding with the cycle. The COVID top just before the panic corresponded with the top in the cycle. The cycle did not suggest we were having a crash like this, so this was something extraordinary, unusual to have such a late low in the cycle. But we recovered, had a breakout from the FLD here, and a correction which corresponded with the cycle. This is what I call the scary correction or shakeout. But here you want to get in to the market, being long. So the cycle has some weakness here, corresponding with some weakness in the S&P, and it had some weakness here. Also the S&P, that was October, and yeah, it's also similar here with the S&P, and we're going down. We had a correction into January, rebound, pretty good correlation here, and the cycle is crashing down here, and so far are we too, but there's not that much time left here to the downside. When I'm studying earlier cycles, there are often found a low around here, but sometimes over here. So when the cycle is making a low here, that doesn't mean that we now could make a low later. We have broken below the FLD here twice. First a false break, and now we are going back down again. So this favors more downside, but we only have 1 to 3 weeks before the cycle suggests we should have a rebound. So that may or may not happen, but that's what my other indicators are telling me as well, to expect a couple more weeks downside here. Possibly around early March. February 28 is a date that comes up, or some couple days into March, or even some 10 days into March. So we'll have to see what's happened here the coming week. So next, the cycle is expecting some kind of a rally into May, and we have a very weak period here in the fall, as usual. A crash in the fall could absolutely happen, and the typical timing for a cycle low would be around here. That's like January, February 2023, or maybe around June 2023. There has been earlier lows and possibly later lows, but these two are the most common. So yeah, let's see. The coming week will be very deciding and telling. Will it confirm this break, or will we bounce right up and get above again? So that's for today, the third video, and some more coming up later. Bye.